Spyder ECG monitor is powered by two AAA alkaline batteries and is self-manageable for ease of use. Remove the top cover and insert two AAA alkaline batteries into the Spyder ECG. Turn the device on. A green light will appear briefly. Activate the Bluetooth function in smartphone. Number 1. See available devices. Number 2. Click on SBPT XXXX, referencing the unique ID which is located at the bottom panel of the Spyder ECG. Number 3. Key 0000 when prompted. Number 4. Your Spyder ECG device is now paired to the smartphone. You may download the mobile app to the smartphone via Bluetooth or micro USB. After installation, activate the mobile app. The app will operate and show the following screen on the smartphone. Number 1. Click on Connection Settings. Number 2. Click on Search. Number 3. Click on SBPT XXXX, which is the same unique ID keyed in earlier and located at the bottom panel of the Spyder ECG. Number 4. Click Confirm. Mobile app is now paired with Spyder ECG. The patient may place the Spyder on his chest and monitor his ECG. When using the Spyder, if the patient experiences discomfort, he clicks the Send Event button on the smartphone. The ECG event will be recorded, and the patient will receive a copy of his ECG strip via email. The patient may choose to email his ECG to his own physician for further consultation.